Adding your Behance link to your LinkedIn profile can enhance your professional visibility and showcase your creative work. Here's how to do it. Log into LinkedIn. Open the LinkedIn website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Go to your profile. Click on your profile picture or me in the top menu, then select View Profile from the drop-down menu. Edit Profile section. On your profile page, locate the Add Profile section button. Click it to expand the menu. Add the link. Select the recommended option, then click on Add Featured. Here, you can add links to showcase your work. Choose the link type. Click on Links and paste your Behance profile URL in the provided field. Ensure the link is correct and accessible. Add a description. After pasting the link, LinkedIn may automatically fetch a title and description from Behance. You can edit these details to better reflect your work. Save changes. Click Save to add the link to your profile. Rearrange if needed. You can also drag to rearrange the order of your featured items if necessary.